The TV1 News is proudly brought to you by Hello and welcome. I'm Rex Lita. This is TV1 News. Edition: Oil and Gas Amendment Bill consents. New Ireland customary ritual performed at Parliament. And Oceania Rugby extends suspension. Prime Minister James Marape, one of the state witnesses in the Paraka scandal, did not appear before the court to testify today due to the Parliament sitting.
The lawyer representing the state made an application to the court stating the reasons why Prime Minister Marape could not appear in court. However, the application seeks the court to allow Marape to appear on March 24, 2025. Marape was listed to testify on the allegations against Jacob Yafai, the former Deputy Secretary for the Department of Finance implicated in the Paraka scandal. Presiding Judge Chief Justice Gibbs Salika was disappointed with the state for not making sure Marape appeared in court today. Also listed as a state witness is Neville Devete, who is the complainant in this case. Devete was the Solicitor General in 2012 when he filed the complaint. Unfortunately, Devete is in Tennant Creek, Australia, and will give his evidence via Zoom. According to the state, it will take him a week to travel by road to Darwin to utilize the Director of Public Prosecutor's Office to give evidence. Therefore, Devete could be available on March 19th to give evidence. The state further mentioned that Sinesine Yongumol MP Keranga Kua will also be called in to testify. Due to the unavailability of witnesses, the state submitted for an adjournment. However, the defense lawyer representing Jacob Yafai objected to the submission, stating that his client was charged in 2013 and has a right to a fair trial. After hearing submissions from the state and defense, Salika adjourned the matter to March 19th for Devete to testify. Salika said Marape and Kua will testify on March 24th. Tracy Pa, TV1 News.
The second reading speech for the Oil and Gas Act Amendment Bill 2025 was done by Petroleum Minister Jimmy Maladina this afternoon in Parliament. Support for the bill was voiced through debates from both sides of the House, despite various concerns raised.
Petroleum Minister Jimmy Maladina this afternoon presented to Parliament in a second reading speech the Oil and Gas Act Amendment Bill 2025. The bill is significant to the National Petroleum Authority Bill, aligning the legislations in meaning and function. Once enacted, the National Petroleum Authority will replace and supersede the Department of Petroleum and Energy as the administrator of the Oil and Gas Act of 1998, which is the primary legislation regulating the petroleum